Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Quranic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying another 9 syllables. Start from here to here. Page number 10 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for those of you who will be relying on the transliteration. Okay. So the first 3 are about ha. So ha, we have to see if it's light or heavy. So it is one of the light letters. Ha. Ha fatha ha. Ha fatha ha. Ha fatha ha. Ha kasra hi. Ha kasra hi. Ha dhamma hu. Ha dhamma hu. Ha hi hu. Ha hi hu. The next 3 syllables about the ghain. We have to see if the ghain is light or heavy. So it's one of the heavy letters. So we have to make sure we have to follow the rules of heaviness. Ghain fatha gha. Ghain fatha gha. Ghain kasra ghi. Ghain kasra ghi. If you have noticed with gha, our mouth is differently structured, and with ghi it's towards lightness. For example, if ghain fatha gha is somewhere here, this is, let's suppose, a graph, this is like boundary. So if it's under here, it's light, and above it's heavy. So if you see ghain kasra ghi, that would be somewhere here. It's more towards lightness. Gha kasra ghi. Because of the kasra, it goes toward lightness. It's still heavy, but it goes towards lightness. Okay. Ghain dhamma ghu. Ghain dhamma ghu. Gha, ghi, ghu. Gha, ghi, ghu. The next one is 3 syllables about kha. Kha is heavy as well. It's one of the heavy letters. Kha fatha kha. Kha fatha kha. Kha kasra khi. Kha kasra khi. And if you notice again with khi, our mouth goes towards it being light as well. So let's suppose kha, if it's the heaviness is here somewhere, and the khi as kha fatha kha, kha kasra khi somewhere here. Okay, so it's towards lightness. This is the lightness boundary. Okay, so because of the kasra, the heaviness is decreased towards lightness. It's still a heavy letter, but it's not as heavy as kha fatha kha. Okay. Kha dhamma khu. Kha dhamma khu. Kha khi khu. Kha khi khu. So next 3 slides would be without spellings. Ha, hi, hu. Ha, hi, hu. Gha, ghi, ghu. Gha, ghi, ghu. Kha, khi, khu. Kha, khi, khu. So this is the end of this session. In next session we will do those syllables 10 times without explanation to give you enough practice, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.